risky these days because of this pandemic. But life must go on. We have to go out for grocery shopping or even for work purposes. Safety comes first. We can't compromise on that. That's why I only trust NutriGlow Hand Rub, which contains 70% alcohol that kills 99.9% germs and flu. Antiviral hand sanitizer is suitable for all skin types, regardless of gender and age. It is made with all natural ingredients with no chemicals, sulfates and parabens.
This hand rub is very gentle. It is developed with mildest disinfectants. It is toxin free and 100% safe for kids and babies. pH balanced with natural moisturizers and supremely powerful antibacterial action also helps in killing germs and bacteria. Just take the desired amount of hand rub and apply on your hands. Rub your hands briskly until it gets dry. Also, you can use any spray cap and disinfect any soft and hard surfaces. Fragrance is very soothing, seductive and fruity that bursts stress and lifts up our mood. The best part is, along with sanitizing our hands, we can sanitize anything and everything that's coming from outside, like wallets, grocery packets, even our doorknobs that comes in contact with outsiders. So we really need to disinfect and sanitize them as well. Usage is also very simple and easy. I always make sure to sanitize my jewelries as well after coming back home. In fact, don't forget to sanitize center tables and dining tables. You just need to spray it and you're done. Sanitize your watches and backpacks after coming back home easily with this hand rub. This hand rub effectively kills broad range of germs in a single application without damaging the skin. It is free from harmful chemicals including parabens, mineral oil, paraffin, triethanolamine, triclosan and petrolatum.
Make sure the virus isn't inside your home. Visit www.nutriglowcosmetics.com and you can order directly from their website. You can get different types of different variants of hand rubs from their website. I always prefer to purchase from their website because of huge discounts and offers. NutriGlow products are also available on Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho and Nykaa. Don't forget to share your experience with this hand rub in the comment section down below.